My neighbor installed a bidet in his mailbox. He says it's for emergencies. I didn't ask what kind. He said, "You'll know when it happens." The mailman hasn't delivered anything in 3 weeks. He just stands across the street and whispers, "It's moist." There's a hose running from the mailbox to his kitchen sink. It hums at night. I asked if it was leaking. He said, "No, it's thinking." He invited me to try it once. I declined. He said, "That's okay. It's shy around strangers." The mailbox has a seat now. It's padded. It's embroidered with the phrase, "Return to sender." Last Tuesday, he got a package from Amazon. It was a poncho and a laminated apology. The driver left it in the bushes. The bushes are wet now. He installed a privacy curtain. It's made of old tax documents and one shower rod. I saw him reading the water bill while sitting on the mailbox. He was weeping. The mailbox was steaming. He says it's the only mailbox in the Tri-County area with dual flush. I didn't know mailboxes flushed. He winked and said, "Not legally." The HOA sent a letter. He bideted it. Now it's unreadable and smells like lavender. He claims it's eco-friendly. He calls it postal hygiene. He's applying for a grant. The grant office stopped answering his calls. I asked him if he regrets anything. He said, "Only the pressure settings." Then he handed me a towel and whispered, "Your turn." I moved.